La, 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 la. Good morning. I'll be telling you how to use illustrations, charts, sparklines, and proofing on MS Excel. First step is to open a new fresh Excel sheet. Click on Insert tab. On the second ribbon from left, you would see certain options. All these options consist of the illustrations. Now let's look at them one by one. First, let's start off with inserting a picture. There are two options available: browsing a photo or selecting picture from a file. I would like to select picture from one of my files. When you've selected your picture, click on Insert button. As you click on the Insert tab, the picture of your choice would appear. And as the picture appears, there would be it would be automatically redirected to the picture formatting option, wherein you can make corrections to the picture. The second function of shapes. Shapes include different types: lines, rectangles, basic shapes, and block arrows, which can be used for different content based on your options. I would like to take the heart shape. As you click on any of the shapes, a plus sign would appear, which basically means you would have to click on the left and make a shape of your choice. As you do that, usually in Android operating system, you can go to designs and edit the shape according to your choice. Otherwise, in other operating systems, shape format would automatically appear, in which you can change the color, give effects, or even write on the shape. Move on to the smart art graphics. It includes lists, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, all these options, which basically give you a flowchart option. Edit the shape, the main shape, by again going to the shape options. For other operating systems, to the design option, and fill color of your choice. You can edit the box by using the various designs available here and change its color according to your choice. You can even change the font size by going to text options, selecting the text box, seeing the alignment and the color. Next option that we have is that of screen clipping. You take a picture of the screen, edit it as per your choice, and give the picture a border to demarcate it from others. Now let's move on to our next option of sparklines, which comes under Insert tab again. First option is line, which will show a line graph of the selected data. I'll select the first row, press enter, a line graph will appear. If you drag it downwards, it will copy and show line graph for each of the selected data. Next is the column, selecting data range, pressing enter. Place where you want it to be has been already selected, so you press OK. Again, copy it. The column graph for each data has been come. Now let's go on to in the sparklines, which is win and loss. For win and loss, it's better that you have negative values in your data so that win and loss can be easily shown. Otherwise, it'll all be an equal level of graph and the comparison would be nil. You select the data range for sparklines. Press enter. Select the place where you want the sparkline to be. Or if you just select one cell, there will be an error. That's why you have to select both the cells like you did in these two selections. Press OK and the win and loss will be seen. Now here, as there are no negative values, it's all win-win situation. As we copy this formula downwards, the results are different as there are negative values here. You can edit these values as per your the design as per your choice. This is how the function of win and loss works. Charts will come under insert tab. There will be various types of charts available to you, like column charts, line graph, pie charts. Select the data of whose chart you want to make, and the chart would be recommended to you accordingly. For example, let's go with the line graph. The line graph would appear. You can edit it under chart design option for Apple users, and for Windows users and other operating systems, you can go under design option. Let's move on to our last and final function, proofing. Proofing basically involves spelling check and thesaurus, a sort of dictionary. It comes under the review tab. Now let's try out with the wrong spelling of say an apple. When we click on the wrong spelling of apple and go on the spelling check option, there'll be the wrong word given under the option which is not there in the dictionary, and other words which the Excel thinks is right. You choose the word according to your choice, or you can basically just go for autocorrect, and that's the job of spelling. Next is the thesaurus. When you're running short of words and you cannot find any similar words, that's when you can search for the right word, and its meaning or noun or adjective would come in the box and you can use it in your Excel. That's the job of proofing.